everyone, it's Pam with Organizer Easy 911, and I am sitting outside my favorite store when it comes to finding organizing supplies on a budget. Take a look. There it is. Let's go in and see what the Dollar Tree has for organizing supplies, and they might even have their back to school stuff already. Oh my gosh, look at all these beautiful bins and all of these fun colors. I love these bins that the dollar store offers. Look at all, I like those clearer ones up on top. Oh my gosh, and look here. They've got these little drawer ones. Oh, how cute is that? Oh my gosh. And I love these bins, these square ones, and you can use a dry erase marker to label it. And then they've got the rectangular ones down here. Look how nice and deep those are. These are great for pantries. I love using them in pantries. And here's even a bigger square one. They're fabulous for those odds and ends that you have in your pantry. I absolutely love these. And I use these a lot too. They are awesome because they're stackable. If you kind of turn them sideways like this, they stack on top of one another like that. Great space saver. Wonderful, wonderful bins. Oh gosh, and look at the blue ones. Ah, so much to choose from. And over here, look at all these beautiful binders. I love 3-ring binders. They help keep so many things organized in my office. And I just love the wide variety of colors and prints. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. And look at all of these 2-pocket folders. Oh my gosh, they always want these in schools. Look at, you can get six of them for $1. Oh my gosh, that is incredible. Man, that'll save you a ton of money. And I absolutely love these pencil organizers. These are great to clip in the binders. You can keep your pens, pencils, even small calculators. And oh my gosh, look, a panda. Oh my gosh, I am so loving this panda one. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Oh my gosh, and they got cute little dog ones and glitter ones. Oh, these are amazing. I love all the cats and dogs. And they've got construction paper. Oh, this is pretty nice. Let's take a look at this. I haven't seen these. 36 sheets. Well, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It looks like it just has the very primary colors, but not bad for $1. Oh, and my gosh, these journal books. Oh my gosh. Those would be awesome to have. Look at all these neat cases. I love these kind of cases. They are great for anything you want to organize. And they got them in such cute little colors. Oh, look at this. Little things. That is too cute. Oh, here we go. My stuff. I love it. Oh my gosh, look at these cute little pencil cups. Love them. Look at all the different colors. Oh my gosh, adorable. These magnetic holders are awesome to keep you organized with the 3 compartments there and a magnet on the back. You can put those in a locker or on the refrigerator. And look at all the colors, the pink and the green and the orange and the blue. I love that selection. And then check out these bins. These are great storage bins to keep you organized, your freezer organized. If you have a standalone freezer in your garage, I've also used these in the office to house like notebooks or files. Oh, and look at these. They've got now really big pencil cups and then the smaller ones too in both black and silver mesh. These foam boards are absolutely priceless when it comes to organizing. Be sure to check back. I'm making a video to show you how this simple $1 investment in a foam board can help you organize any drawer in your home. Check out these cute dry erase boards. It looks like they've got them in different colors. Let's see. And orange and blue and green. Then they have your standard dry erase boards. I actually used several of these in my home. And what's so cool about these cute, adorable gift boxes is they can also double as drawer organizers. You can use the lids, you can use the bases, you can cut them into different sizes. They're really a fabulous organizing tool. This is a cute little desktop organizer. Look at it, spins. It's got all the little compartments. Not bad for only $1. Dollar store has had these for quite some time. I've actually used them in a lot of my clients' office drawers because it's not so high, and if you have a really shallow drawer, they work really well. I love these, and they come in black as well. And check out these business card holders. They are very versatile because not only do they hold your business cards, but they can also act as a phone stand, so you can watch your YouTube channels while you work. I love that the Dollar Tree has got such a wide variety of labeling options for us. They've got these little, what do they call them, key tags. These are awesome for $1, getting 8 of them, that's a good deal. They've got larger labels. Oh, I absolutely love these little tie-on labels. They are great for little canvas bags, or when you have a mesh basket or a wicker basket. They really work well on those in labeling. And then let's see, what else do they have? Oh my gosh, they've got these box labels. Look at these dry erase. I love the option of the dry erase labels for the bigger boxes. And check out these beautiful labels. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous in gold. And I think I saw back here, look at that, look at that. They have a different shape ones. Oh my gosh, this would be so cute. Oh, get me going on labels. Check out this adorable jewelry hanger. Oh my gosh. Look at that, they got it in black and white. How adorable is that? I absolutely love these squirt bottles. I use them all the time. You know, so often they'll give you a great deal if you get one of those big gigantic refill bottles, but you can't store those in smaller areas in your home. So you can often pour the refills into these bottles, and they fit really well in small areas. Here are some other squirt bottles too. I love that the dollar store has started to carry these Cubbies. They work extremely well. We have several in our home, and they are just a fabulous option when you need to organize. Look at, oh my gosh, they've got it in the different colors. I do like the gray, it's very sleek, but yeah, look at that. They've got all the different kinds. And they even have different sizes, like this is a lot shorter and squattier. Really cute though, and a great way to keep things organized. I love these lint rollers. And look, they've got like a little travel one. I actually keep one in our car like that, the smaller one. And then you have the larger one. They really work pretty well, and that's only $1. Oh, this is cute, a little shower caddy. I really like that. You know, when you have to keep things organized on a budget, this is a great option to have. And here's another thing. They have the shower curtains, which are really great. Those are great to use. If you have a door that really every time you have to open it kind of cuts off room in a closet or something like that, oftentimes removing the door and putting a shower curtain over it allows you a lot more room. And here's the thing. Dollar store is now offering them in prints, so you can be a little more decorative when you get organized. One of the things I absolutely love at the dollar store is that you can get a decent size pack of Postits for only $1. Look at that size pack. You know, anyone who uses Postits knows how expensive they are in any other store, but you can get 250. I'm gonna grab another pack. And they work really well too. And look, they even have the smaller ones too, which I think I'm going to grab another set of those as well. Oh, and look at this. They've got mounting dots. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm going to give it a try. I don't know how well these work, but you know what? For $1, it's definitely worth the risk. And check out this adorable shelf liner pattern. Oh, I love it. And here's like a marbly texture one. Really cute designs to help keep your drawers more organized. Check out these back scratchers. And they're not just back scratchers, but shoe horns. Multiple purpose. Not exactly organizing related, but fun! Okay, I think I did enough damage for one day. I better go check out.
Okay, so here's what I ended up getting at the dollar store today. Okay, I got those canvas bins that go in they're like cubby bins, and I got 2 different sizes. I got about 5 of each. Those are actually for a client of mine. She has one of those cubby storage units, so those will fit in beautifully and organize her office supplies really well. And I also got 4 more napkin holders, and I'm going to create an office organizing solution for my client as well. If you want to know what you can do with those napkin holders from the Dollar Tree, just click on the iCard above, or I'll put the link below to a video I did about an amazing office organizing solution made from these napkin holders. And then I've got the foam mounting dots, little accessory decor, a couple of frames I needed for some organizing. I absolutely love these notepads. I like this do nut, like a donut, forget. Goals and adulting. I love these pads, we use them all the time. And then I got 2 display easels. Actually, I'm going to put those frames. I'll show you in a future video what I did with these, but again, for a $4 investment, I think it's going to be a really neat decorative accessory. And then I got my Postits, all the different colors, those little pointer Postits, and some really bright colors. There's my little cell phone holder, my pencil bag with the banda, gotta love it. I got some duct tape there. And then finally, I got this shelf. I'm actually gonna do a little comparison on the quality. I don't think these shelves hold a lot. I know they don't, as a matter of fact. But for $1, I wanna kind of compare how they hold up compared to the ones you get either at Walmart or even the Container Store. So check back on an upcoming video for that as well. And finally, I got 2 big foam boards and 1 poster board in black. Again, I'm going to be doing an upcoming video where I can show you an amazingly cheap, inexpensive, and incredibly beautiful solution for organizing drawers with these, so be sure to check back on that as well. Okay, so overall not a bad haul. I will attach a video showing everything I got. I spent $39. I made some great purchases and I'm really happy with them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. Poke that like button below. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and poke that red subscribe button below and become part of this organizing family. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. I'll see you next time.